Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can delete your Ablo account permanently from your mobile device. So first of all, open the app Ablo. Now tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap on the setting icon which is at the top right of the screen. Now tap on the very first option where it's written profile and account. Now scroll all the way down. You'll see the very last option where it's written delete account. It says that follow the exit signs and 4 paths lights to the nearest cabin door. Leave behind all your belongings gatherings on Ablo. That means all the data, frames or chat history you made in Ablo will be cleared. So just tap on get me to that door. Now you must enter your password for the confirmation and tap on unlock button. So this is how you can delete your account from Ablo messaging app. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.